So Ayush, so that's what, this is like the fourth video we are doing consecutively, and it feels so nice to have these pets. I mean, rabbits. We got them on Friday. Today is a Sunday, and you can see them, right? And it's like, and okay, should we? I'd like to stand up in the video. Can I? You also can move the camera along with me standing. Hello, because I get, it's very rare that we get to do a video standing. So this is my son. He's the love of my life, and because these rabbits are so tiny, we try to not stand in front of them. But this feels so nice that my niece is willing to take a video. So thank you, Anviku, and we hope to do this every Sunday. Come here with the little rabbits. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.